Welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week. Today is a special Monday edition. I thought yesterday was Easter and we should take the day off, but today we're back on the grind. So I've got 5 print-on-demand niches that you need to target to spike your sales in the intermediate future, including today, we're going to focus a little bit on what I consider to be almost the Super Bowl of print-on-demand niches in terms of just the incredible potential for this one upcoming event, this one niche that you need to know about. So let's get to it. Let's kick things off as usual with an Amazon merch sales update. So I made 299 sales in the last 7 days, bringing in $979 in royalties on the US market on $4,900 in sales, and another maybe 57 sales on international markets that brought in another maybe $150 to $200. If you want to follow me on Instagram, linked in the description, you can see my daily Amazon merch sales to provide inspiration. And if you need help getting in, just shoot me a direct message. Also, guys, I recently launched a project. It's really not my project. It is my fiance Marielle's project, where we review Amazon return pallets. It is a ton of fun. These videos got really popular on YouTube. We just released video number 1. I'm going to link to it in the YouTube cards up here in case you missed it. It is a lot of fun, and I hope you will check it out. We actually just recorded one today. I can't even tell you how excited I am for you to see the second video because some of the products we got were just insane. So hope you guys check that out and enjoy it as much as I did making it. All right, let's look at the top 10 products. These are all the organic top 10. This is not me searching and filtering. What do you notice? You have a lot of Eclipse shirts. More than half of them are Eclipse shirts. You've got some autism shirts. We know the first week of April tends to be the top demand for the autism shirts. Then you've got the Birthday Girl It's Me shirt. You've got the I'm Not Old, I'm Classic shirt. So a lot of, I mean, what did we talk about 4 or 5 months ago? We talked about the Eclipse shirts. We're going to kill it this time of year, right? Twice in a lifetime, as they say, twice in a lifetime. And here we are. We're living it out. We called it months ago. People who took action are reaping the benefit of it. So I hope that's one of you guys watching. If it is, let me know in the comments. All right, let's get to niche number 1. These niches are going to be a little bit more forward-looking. How could niche number 1 not be Mother's Day? This is like the Super Bowl of print-on-demand niches where it's like Christmas in May. You know, we're getting like 4th quarter level sales, but we're getting them in May. This is like a month away, roughly, okay? There are so many ways to attack Mother's Day as a print-on-demand seller. My favorite way is actually to do it on Etsy, if I'm being honest, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't also be selling some Mother's Day stuff on Amazon merch as well, okay? You can see there's a whole bunch of funny ones. I mean, I love the batteries drained. It says mom of 2 boys. Obviously, you can scale the 2 boys part out and do a bunch of different ways with that, you know, of 1 boy, 1 girl, of 3 boys, of 5 boys, whatever it is, right? 5 girls. And I mean, you might say, Ryan, but why waste an upload slot on 5 boys? But guess what? Somebody out there's got 5 boys and they're going to buy that shirt, and you probably have a lot lower competition there. One of my favorite Mother's Day shirts is this one right here with the messy hair bun graphics. It seems like, I mean, every year the same graphic is so popular. Marielle's like niece was she was over here on Easter weekend. She had the same graphic on her shirt and she had the matching pants to go with it with the cheetah print. I mean, guys, those graphics, they're going to continue to sell. And if you're like, but Ryan, how do I make that graphic? Well, you don't have to. Creative Fabrica has a ton of different variations, including the originals that you can use in your print-on-demand designs if you have a Creative Fabrica license, which comes with your subscription. I'll put a link at the top of the description so you can join for $4.99 a month. Also, last but not least, on Mother's Day, guys, if you're not selling on Etsy print on demand, like Mother's Day is probably the best print on demand holiday, in my opinion, on Etsy. But you need to be selling personalized products geared towards Mother's Day and Mother's Day sub niches. This video I dropped last week is so valuable. I spent like a week making it. I had to literally comb through 1,000 listings that I exported from Everbee and look up the top keywords. And I actually give you the sales that are being driven on Mother's Day products for each one of those top keywords. I should charge for this information. It's out there on YouTube for free. I'll put it in the YouTube cards right here. I'll also link to it in the description. I'm just saying, guys, I put a lot of work into that video. I want it to benefit you. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. Niche number 2 this week. How about Mother's Day, but for grandmas, for aunts, for stepmoms, for first-time moms? Okay, there's so many ways to make money with Mother's Day that I had to dedicate 2 of the top 5 niches to talking about it, because kind of like the Eclipse thing where I kept telling you and reminding you, hey, it's coming. Hey, make sure you get some Eclipse stuff up there. And then here we are, and the Eclipse shirts are dominating the top 10. It's not, a bold prediction to say that, guys, Mother's Day is going to be absolutely massive. You need to carve out your piece of the pie, and you don't need to choose just one lane. I'm giving you a couple suggestions for different lanes that you can sell in. Again, extend it out to grandmas, to aunts, to, by the way, great grandmas. Who's out here selling shirts for the great grandmothers out here? They need love too, okay? And very reduced competition because most people aren't thinking about it, right? And I just gave it out here on top 5 niches of the week. So hopefully you guys are the ones making money on that as well. Niche number 3 this week. How about Military Kids Day? So now we're not a month out. Now we're a week or 2 out. Now it's ideal to attack these niches a month early, if not 2 months early in some cases, even though the demand, of course, is significantly lower the earlier you get to them. But I love niches like Military Kids Day because there are graphics that are very specific that are working really well. 3 of the top 10 have the messy hair bun graphic. You've got a specific color associated with it, and you've got specific words that you see throughout a lot of the top designs. So with Military Kids Day, by the way, Creative Fabrica graphics all over the place, just saying, it should be easy enough and simple enough and obvious enough of how to go about making designs that sell in this niche. If you're not drawing inspiration from these behind me, then I don't know if I can help you. Also, I'm going to hide myself again real quick. Look at the bottom right corner. You've got a purple shirt and it's a purple niche. So I'm just saying, also, if a lot of the top 10 are on black shirts, make a version or make a really good graphic and put it up twice. Sell it twice on Amazon merch. Make the black listing with all the colors and then make the purple only listing as well. It's kind of like a split test. You know how on Etsy you should be split testing? Just use the duplicate button and switch up, the title SEO or the main image, something like that, and then republish and have 2 listings with the same product. It's also a good idea on Amazon merch, as you would imagine. Niche number 4 this week. Well, niche number 4, how about 420? How about April 20th and everything that comes with 420, right? People love the people who love their marijuana are going to love their marijuana shirts. You bet 420 is going to be a nice opportunity to sell some t-shirts, maybe not on the same magnitude as Mother's Day. I could be wrong, but just saying this is one of those more obvious niches that comes and goes every single year. A lot of people capitalize on it. A lot of people just say, it's not my thing, I'm just going to skip it. If it's your thing, guys, the green shirts can't really go wrong here with selling the 420 shirts on 420. It's a minor calendar niche that a lot of people overlook, but you already know that the demand is going to spike, in the week or 2 leading up to it. If you're in like tier 10, you just need to lock in some quick sales and be agile, get in, get out with your niche selection. This is a great example of a niche that you can get in, get out, Military Kids Day, 420, and then niche number 5. I'm going to show you what niche number 5 is, but it's right after 420. Some of you guys are going to already know what it is. But before I show you, quick plug for my free print-on-demand mini course delivered via email. It's linked in the description if you want to take advantage of that. And check out my print-on-demand Facebook group as well. Completely free. I hope you'll join. So niche number 5 this week is going to be, how about April 22nd, Earth Day? All right, a lot of green shirts, a lot of black shirts with green elements on them. I'm pretty sure most of Earth's surface is covered with water, so you've even got the blue elements on there with the planet, with the all the water and the continents on there. A lot of different ways to go about selling Earth Day shirts. Seriously, a lot of different ways. I have been all over this niche, getting some products posted to alternative platforms than just Amazon and Etsy, but some of the smaller ones. And I'm trying to see how many Earth Day shirts I can unlock, it's like a good test, right? Because we know Earth Day's coming. We know it's one of the more minor calendar niches. A lot of people are just going to go super hard for Mother's Day and they may skip Earth Day. Well, I'm using that as an example to test, give myself an opportunity to test how many Earth Day shirts I can sell on the smaller platforms, excluding like Amazon and Etsy. So we'll see what happens there. By the way, I report my sales every single week in my private community on our weekly live stream on Wednesday. Fridays, we do more like office hours style and sometimes bring in guests. If you guys are interested in that, it's always linked in the description with a discount code as well. So go plan it. It's your Earth Day. We've got the green shrubbery with the heart and the earth on it. The recycled. This is my favorite. This is my favorite Earth Day shirt right here. You may be thinking, no way, Ryan. Way, way, way too simple. It can't be that easy. Guys, I'm telling you, if you're in tier 10, is it worth dedicating an upload slot just to this? Maybe. But again, you need to be, in and out of these niches. So after Earth Day comes to pass, delete it. But yes, you can make sales with designs that are just this simple. Amazon tends to give listings a chance. If you have this design, right, which is kind of a universal recycle logo, so I'm pretty sure it's okay for multiple people to use it. Don't quote me though. Just a talking head on YouTube. If you get seen and somebody wants the recycling shirt, what do you think they really want? They just want the logo, okay? So there's not like a million ways to spin it. This can sell. This is a great example of a shirt that literally anybody can go out there and sell. Just a question of like, did you think to try and did you follow through? And I'm not judging if you didn't. I'm just saying like, this is how simple it can be. And then what else can you do? You can put some text underneath it that says recycle or I love recycling, recycle all day, every day, whatever it is. Do a little bit of niche research, see what text you can include with the recycling logo, make variations of the shirt, go upload them and see what happens. If you want to, you can even set up ads and target the phrase recycling shirt. Sometimes it is that simple, guys, and it just takes a little bit of effort, a little follow through. And I know you guys do that. I'm not judging. You know what I mean? I'm just saying, just trying to be inspirational here. This is literally how I make my sales. I just go and I do. Emerging trends. Here we go. So these are shirts that are significantly outperforming their average 30-day BSR. There's actually a ton of different sports-themed shirts here. I don't know why there are so many sports-themed shirts, but I personally do not prefer to sell shirts like this on Amazon merch because these, when we sell through Amazon merch, remember, these are sold by Amazon, okay? To the end user, to the customer, it's a product listing that Amazon owns that's sold, fulfilled by Amazon. Amazon doesn't want to get sued for infringement. Okay, so when I see these shirts, it doesn't mean that I endorse these shirts. This is just what Podly, the research tool that I used to pull the trending shirts from, showed me is currently significantly outperforming their 30-day average BSR. So take it for what you will. You got to look out for the safety of your account, as you know. Looking ahead, here are some smaller print-on-demand holidays that are in demand. May 1st is Bike to School Day. May 2nd, National Day of Prayer. May 3rd is Space Day. May 4th, Kentucky Derby Day. So the horse racing shirts are going to be selling. And you already know May 5th, Cinco de Mayo. And there's so many fun sub-niches associated with that one that I can't wait to cover that. All right, let's look at the archive. Let's look back 11 months from today and see what was selling well 11 months then. That might be what's selling well 1 month from today. So according to the archive, pretty wide array of products. It looks like some Father's Day shirts. Yeah, quite a few actually. The Father's Day shirts were starting to pop up. Also, remember last year, a lot of these awesome Like My Daughter shirts were popping up, although that was deleted. So make sure that didn't get trademarked or something. So yeah, the archive is saying that a month from now, even though 1 month from now, we're still like around Mother's Day, but hey, the Father's Day shirts are also going to be popular. All right, removed designs, either removed by the seller or by Amazon. Take a quick peek. See if you notice anything. A couple Eclipse shirts were deleted, some trap music stuff, a WrestleMania shirt, which of course got deleted, actually 2 of them. So yeah, definitely play it safe with your account. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you found this helpful. Check out my full print-on-demand course. It is linked in the description. I can help you start, scale, and automate your print-on-demand business, showing you exactly how I did mine. Also, my private community is linked down there as well. If you want to work directly with me, we do multiple live streams a week. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you guys soon with a new video.